Let's talk about authorization. Many times I've seen this situation where people don't quite understand roles and how to use roles in authorization. So when you're creating an application, you want to define roles, and those roles are groups of functions. And each of those functions allows a person to do something. So let's say you have a customer service application. And in that customer service application, you have a manager, you have a customer service rep, and you have an auditor. There's usually an auditor involved. Now, when the auditor logs in, they should only be able to view everything. When the CSR or customer service representative logs in, they should be able to do everything but delete. Only the manager can do deletes, and there's reasons behind this. So let's go through how this is set up. So each person here is assigned a role. So Shiva is a manager, Lucy is an auditor, Nancy is a manager, Dan, Lalitha, and Steve are CSRs. Now, as we see, when this gets applied, they look like this on the screen here. So I'm just using color to help differentiate and make it clearer on what's going on. Now, Shiva, being a manager, he has access to everything. And notice entry, view, delete, and edit are functions. They're not roles, they're functions. When you go to Lucy, she's an auditor. These functions, she only has view function. She does not have entry, delete, or edit. Lalitha, she has entry, view. She does not have the ability to delete, but she can edit. When you get into the application, the actual application, this is all it sees. It does not even know what the role is. It doesn't care what the role is. It shouldn't care what the role is. The role is only there to help you assign groupings. Now, this role that we have on the screen right now is a manager role because they can do everything. This one is a CSR because they can do everything but delete. This one is an auditor. So the application shouldn't go into the complexity of figuring out what role it is. It just looks at the function. I hope this helps.